Hello and welcome to your English course. This course is or may look slightly different from the one that you end up having in the end. Let me turn this on student view. So here's what you're going to see when you first log in. And right now I don't have any announcements here. One is getting ready to go out, so this will look different once that happens. But you'll notice that in this class, your landing page, which is the page that you will see first, says I Love English on it. So, or it may have another banner, but it'll be some banner up here and it'll say announcements. So there's a couple things that I want you to pay attention to here that may be helpful when you're trying to access your book and information for your assignments. First of all, here's the syllabus link. All you have to do is click that. You can download the syllabus. The schedule is definitely subject to change. Every semester I start with a schedule, as most teachers do, but this class is special in English. Many times things have to be changed for a variety of reasons. So here is that announcements page I told you, which is the landing page that once you click on the class from your main Blackboard list of classes, this is what you're going to see. Here's my contact information. It tells you a little bit about how to contact me. That's my email. This is my work cell phone. So you can get me at any time, but if I'm in class, I'm not going to answer, or if I'm otherwise occupied. So please be patient as I try to get back with you. My actual office is on Glasgow's campus at this time, although I am trying to arrange one for main campus. If that happens, this information will change. As of now, that's where it's at, so all of my appointments on main campus need to be done by appointment only. Generally speaking, I am available about 30 minutes prior to class. And definitely by appointment. The best way to contact me is through this email. It is probably the very best way because I will respond in writing and you'll have a record of that. So let's have a look here. First of all, I want to show you the MindTap and ebook access points. So if you just need to go in and read a chapter, for example, I have chapter 8 assigned as your first reading in week 1, at least for this class. And if you click this, I want to show you what happens to this. Right now, my pop-up blocker is blocking any pop-ups. And I want to tell you that the recommended browser looks like this. It's called Mozilla Firefox, and if you look it up online, you'll be able to easily download it. It is better, and actually Internet Explorer works very poorly with the book app, so you may have multiple problems, and Chrome is hit or miss. So try to get Mozilla Firefox if you can, so that you can have access to your book easily and you don't have other problems. So if you see this warning here about the pop-ups, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. There's a little box up here in the right hand corner that has 3 lines on it. It says open menu, so we're going to click that. And let's go to options. It's a really easy fix. So options, if you look over here, you click content, because that's what you're viewing, and you'll see right here that the pop-ups box is checked. Now, if you're not getting the warning, that means it's working fine. So once I clear the block up, I just exit out of that tab. I don't have to save anything, and then just click X on that and you can go ahead and access your book. So this is going to pop up for you here, and we're not actually going to look at this right at this moment, because I want to show you, this is the instructor view. This is not the view you're going to see. And because there's no grades yet, you won't see anything on this chart. So let's go back to your view though. If you go to weekly folders, this is your place to be. So right now you can't see week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, which I do have on here, but you'll see those show up each week. So let's click on week 1 folder, which is the beginning week of school, obviously, and let's have a look. All of my courses are set up very consistently. This is what'll happen unless we have something happen where I have to miss class. This will also be where you look if I have to miss class, unless it's a snow day. So if for some reason I made a training or I have to cancel for whatever reason, this is where you'll go to, your weekly folder, to see what's going on that week, if there's anything that you need to complete before class. So here it says during class on Monday and Wednesday. So actually this should say Tuesday and Thursday for your class. So keep that in mind, that it's Tuesday and Thursday for you. It says syllabus review, Blackboard tentative schedule. So the first day of class, I will review some of the syllabus highlights and the tentative schedule, just the first few weeks. And it's actually already changed because the syllabus quiz probably won't be on Blackboard for the entry-level English class. We will do other assignments on there to practice how to use it. If you look down here, it says homework. Most homework is due by 11:45 Central Time on Sundays. It used to be at 11:59, but the software we're using for the book, the latest time is 11:45. And that is the case this week. So I'm going to show you what you're needing to do. So if you look here, you're going to see that Chapter 8, the reading writing connection, is on the syllabus, I believe, for this week, and it will be the one that you complete. Now, the cool thing about the new book we're using is that they have video tutorials. So if you're a visual learner, you're going to be able to access that information. And it's just really helpful. The quick review is also important. Now, these are not graded, and sometimes students won't do either one of these. They're very short. It's a really good idea to go ahead and do the ones that aren't graded if you'd like to be successful on the graded assignment. The way that Cengage books are set up is really, it's really just very important to do the review stuff. And so I plug in the minimum of what I believe you might need to look at to understand the assignment for the week. So here's your graded assignment for this week. It says complete this auto-graded assignment to see how the video tutorial and quick review have improved your ability to understand writing assignments. This graded assignment is due by 11:45 p.m. CST on Sunday, January 15th. And it should say 2017, which I'll change in a minute. I haven't gotten into the practice yet. Click the link to complete the assignment. So you'll literally click this link. So let me show you what this looks like. When you click on the video tutorial, if you've unclicked your pop-up box, you're going to see understanding writing assignments. You'll click play, make sure that your volume is on. And if you're at school, of course, you'll have to have headphones on. So let's check the other one out, the quick review, understanding writing assignments. This one will help you on your graded assignment. And you're going to see this pop up as well. It has the information. If you scroll down, it gives you examples, analyze, argue. It talks about a very brief overview of everything, gives you examples. So I just love this. And then I'm going to click out of that to show you the graded assignment. When you go to graded assignment, and they should all be designated this way if they are graded, understand writing assignments, you're going to see that pop up too. So you see graded assignment, understanding writing assignments. So I've plugged those in so that you don't have to go and navigate the book. You're going to go through all the steps. So you'll click here, understanding context, purpose, and audience. Okay, so it's loading. And once you're done with this, you've chosen your answers. You're going to save and continue. First of all, after you've answered this page, you hit grade it now. So we graded it now. It says I got 0 out of 2. I haven't answered any of the questions, so that's okay. So then I can, let me see if I can pull this down here where you can see. I don't think it'll let me pull the video down, but down here at the bottom it says try another version is on your left and continue. So if you got 0 out of 2 and you want to retry it on this assignment, you can actually try another version. So here's the catch here that I want you to understand. So once you're done with that, you'll hit continue, continue, continue until you're done. So if I'm on this last page, pretend that I've done all these and I have 0s or 2s or 3s or whatever. And keep in mind that some of these you can do more than once. It's up to you just by clicking try a different version. So let's look at submitting papers on time, because this is like the last page in the whole assignment. And this is something you're going to see on every assignment. So I've done this and I hit grade it now, because you always want that page graded. So it will not record your grades if you have not done that. Then this little button down here that you can't see on the screen says continue. It's the right hand button. You just hit continue. And see, I've gone to the last one. I finished this whole assignment. And then the very last thing I do so that this will be placed in the grade book is I'm done grade assignment now. So I'm going to click done. It's going to say you haven't answered all the questions. Are you sure you want to proceed with submitting this assignment? And by then you already know your score out of 14. So if I got a 14 out of 14, obviously I'm happy. I'm just going to say yes, which this will have different words on it for you because you'll complete the assignment. And then the reason this is here is because at any point in this assignment, if you click the big button, we call it the big button, it's going to grade it and enter it as is. So that grade will be in your grade book and it is undoable. I cannot change that. That's something that you're going to have to live with. So make sure that if you get confused about that, you come back to this video to kind of help you. I'm also going to post some resource information for Cengage for students so that if you're having trouble navigating this, it may help you as well. So I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. I look very forward to working with you this semester. I love my job and I love working with students. So thank you for listening to the video and have a wonderful day.